A 100-point question.
Okay, next question. Now this one tells you it's side, side, side. So explain why. So you have 4 options to figure out why. Is there one answer we can eliminate right away?
Yes.
Which one?
I forgot.
D. If I tell you that it's congruent and I want you to explain why.
Dude, you think you get the box? Yeah, it's in the way. I can't see that it's in the box. Oh.
So if this was a proof, a key here would be that AD bisects BE. If AD bisects BE, what do we know about those two
Oh, I
things?
got it. It's A. It's A. A is the answer. No, it's not. The answer's A. It's A.
Dude.
I think that was the answer. I'm joking,
Try those books.
Yeah, he's right.
Okay, when you get an answer, write on your board and show me.
Oh.
A, B, C, and we're pretty sure it wasn't D.
Well done.
So now.
Guys, that's enough. Stop.
This question is worth 100 points. A 100-point question. This question is worth 100 points.
Are we gonna do that one?
A 100-point question.
Do that one.
All right, let's try this one. So we're looking for angle A. We're looking for angle A. All right, Dow, you think it's A? So the first thing we have is
I think it's C.
we have those two sides. We have these two sides. What else can we show congruent about the two triangles?
DOC and AOD.
Okay, vertical angle theorem. That's one of those things we should be able to recognize.
Yep.
So now we have side, angle, side. Because of side, angle, side, we can show the triangles are congruent. But we want to conclude something about angle A. So we know the triangles are congruent. So how do you conclude something after you've shown the triangles are congruent?
You point the dot at the A and the
CPCT. What does CPCTC stand for? Congruent parts of
corresponding part.
corresponding parts. This corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So yeah, it's going to be either A or C.
No, it's A.
It's A.
A.
It's not angle side, angle side, angle side.
and then it's side angle side. So it is A.
And look how you even said A.
Snapple.
Dude, sorry to check out.
Hey, Billy.
Nice work. A 100-point question. This question is worth 100 points.
Sure. Let's do this one.
A 100-point question.
No.
Good question. Why are these two triangles congruent?
Because,
Side angle side. Because we have two sides in the angle.
No, HL.
Yeah.
HL.
Hypotenuse leg.
Okay, we got a couple different answers out there. Dylan, you said you've got two sides in an angle. Now, order is important because we have two sides in an angle. We have two sides in an angle, and one of those is okay. One of those is not okay.
Well, it's SAS. It's okay.
This one's okay.
Yeah, that was good.
This one, not okay. All right, so we know it has to be side angle side in order to be what you said. Do we have side angle side?
yes.
Well, our angle's J.
Our angle's J, so we can't use side angle side because order matters. The key here should be this guy right here. When you see a 90-degree angle,
Yeah.
the light bulb should go off. Maybe it's the hypotenuse leg theorem. Is my hypotenuse and the leg congruent to the hypotenuse and leg of another triangle?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to be either A or B. These are no good over here because they're side angle side. So which one is it?
A.
B.
A.
So it's B.
A and J, do those match up?
Yeah.
A and J. B and L, do B and L match up?
No.
B is on the short, K is on the short, so it's got to be
Like I
Told you it was the
said.
hypotenuse leg. Told you.
Oh, yes.
Good job.
I plan on doing very good on this test.
I hope so.
Are you?
Are there any bigger questions?
A 100-point question.
The last few questions are worth 500, but they're usually vocabulary. Oh, good question right here.
Fine, CA.
We're looking for CA.
S plus 2. S, not X. Yeah, oh my god, you glad.
Oh, it's S? Why is it an S and an S?
They're both S's.
What are we going to do with these two things right here? Why?
They're congruent.
Great job.
All right.
That's fun.
Hogan, you want to solve this one for us?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do it up here.
Oh, I see.
And explain it while you do it.
Okay. Let me just magic hand. Okay. Well, I'm gonna set that.
AB equal to CB.
Oh, it's already up there.
It's already up there, yep. So go ahead and finish it.
Kind of hard to see, because that can't.
Isn't it D?
I'm gonna add
I think it's D.
Well, you can put pressure on that. Yep.
10. So we cancel that out, and I'm gonna add 10 to the 2, and I'm gonna minus S and minus S in the same step.
Okay.
And that means
I know that
that
man, like, knows
12 equals
I didn't even know you guys said that.
people don't care. And then
Like me slapper.
S plus 2, 12 plus 2 equals the 14.
job.
I'm a winner.
I had D.
Where do you get that two?
How'd you get 14?
How'd you get D?
I said,
Well, I got the two 14s, but just because those sides are 14, how can you get that the last one?
Because you got angle, angle, angle.
yeah, where'd you get the two?
Yeah.
I got 12.
Yeah, I got 12. Where'd you get the two?
Oh,
Because
it's
you have to
dude.
add 2.
You gotta
That's-
put it back in the
you gotta plug it
equation.
Oh,
12 plus 2,
right.
14, and 12 times 2 minus 10.
S is 12, but CA is not 12. CA is 12 plus 2, 14.
What?
That's right.
I can see.
Billy, put them away.
Whoopsie
No,
doopsie.
don't put them away. Give me back my card.
You judging me?
Yeah, dude, we are.
This question is